Mga marites ni Chongde.
There was a post online stating that a netizen came across Henry and Lucas hanging out with a few girls at a bowling alley. The original poster posted a photo with a caption, "I came to bowl," but it looks like Henry came to bowl with some girls. Lucas was also allegedly seen with the group later on. Though the post didn't receive too much backlash, some fans reacted in anger as NCT is currently facing controversy due to former member Taeil's sexual assault case. On September 19th, Henry posted to address the concerns and said, "Thank you all for your concerns. I am very grateful for your concern. It's a party with ordinary friends, normal social interaction. I will do well not to worry everyone. I hope you have a good day every day." That's it mga ka